Hi-ho! Okay, I'm obsessed with these ones too. I'm obsessed with all of the Mickey ears this summer, guys, but welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. If you have been hanging out, I think I got a little fuzzy on this one. If you've been hanging out this summer, you're gonna see a lot of these Mickey ear SVG videos. And if you're new, you might wonder why I have kind of just like a half tutorial on the internet. Basically, there's links in the description for you to become a Mickey ear master maker if you want to be one. In this video, I'm going to show you the parts of the SVG you're going to need to actually turn your Mickey ears from plain colors to Snow White and whatever dwarf you want. I'm partial to Dopey. I think he's my favorite because he's just the sweetest little he's not grumpy, he's sweet. I love Dopey. So I have a Mickey Ear Factory that is a part of my membership, which is basically this page on my website that has all the parts and pieces you need to make tons of different characters of Mickey ears. And I'm coming out with new lines each quarter, which I'm so excited about. So Halloween will be next, Christmas will be after that, and then so on and so forth. Anyways, if you're not a part of my membership, you should check it out if you want to be a Mickey ear maker, because I'm going to be having a bunch of stuff on there for you to make. However, if you just want one, I do have each bundle available for purchase as well. Other than that, I'm going to show you guys how to use it in this video, so let's get going. Alrighty guys, Snow White ears are so cute and I love this SVG so much. I just love the 7 dwarfs part of this because you could definitely make all the dwarfs and you could go with your friends and be matchy and have all the dwarfs and maybe one person be Snow White, or make the back of your ears Snow White and everybody has a different dwarf on the back or the front, or just one ear is a different dwarf and the other side is Snow White. You could do so much with this SVG. I am just in love with it. So it's very simple. It's just 2 layers for Snow White, and I'm using gold HTV and red HTV, and then it is 2 layers for the dwarf, and I'm using black and gold. We also have another part of this SVG that has buttons. So if you're interested in doing a little bit different dwarf, check out the bundle so that you can see the other dwarf style we have. And if you want to know how to make these into Mickey ears, just pop on over to my Mickey ear tutorial, which explains how to put these all together, fluff them, put some foam in them, and how to put them on a headband. And then also check out my perfect bow tutorial so you can make your perfect Snow White ears.